Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am also fine, students. Okay, good. In accountancy, we have learned three lessons. Okay, the fourth lesson we are going to learn, that is about goodwill. This is also related to the firm. Okay, that's why how to value the goodwill. What is goodwill? How to calculate goodwill? What are the factors that influence the value of goodwill? Okay, that and all we are going to learn, and some of the problems also. Now goodwill means we have already learnt also. Okay, goodwill means it is the good name. That is what we should know. Okay, good name of a firm or a business organization. Okay, this one will bring benefit to the business. Okay, here what benefit they will get, they will receive, that they can earn more profit in future. Okay, with the name of that goodwill, with the help of goodwill they can earn more profit. That means goodwill, how they get this goodwill? By the experience or over a period of time, yeah, any business organization, they will gain this good name. How? By providing good products or services to the customers, or because of the proper location of the business. Okay, that we will learn. Now we will learn about the nature of the goodwill. What is goodwill? We have learned. It is it is a fixed asset. Okay, goodwill is a fixed asset, but this fixed asset is intangible fixed assets. Even in first year itself we have studied tangible assets, intangible assets. What is the meaning intangible? We cannot see and touch. It do not have physical existence. Okay, we do not have any physical existence, so it is cannot see and touch this intangible asset. Goodwill is one of the intangible assets. Okay, we cannot see that one. And it has one value. Let's say we are recording in the books of accounts. If any transaction that cannot be measured in terms of money cannot be entered in the books of accounts, but goodwill we are entering, and we value that goodwill. That is what we are going to learn. Okay, and another one, this goodwill cannot be separated from the firm, the value. Okay, we cannot buy separately the goodwill. Okay, if the business is bought fully or in part, if we purchase that business in part, only then we can value and we can purchase or sell the goodwill. Okay, and with the help of goodwill they can earn more profit. That means those are having good name, only they can sell their goods in many number, and they can gain profit. Okay, so they can earn more profit with the help of goodwill. Now we will learn about the factors that determine the value of goodwill. First one, the profitability. If a business concern is earning more profitability, then the goodwill also will be more. Okay, if a business organization earns more profit, then the value of goodwill also will be more. Okay, then the favorable location. Any business organization, if it is located, even the value of the assets also increase. Okay, favorable location. If the location is good, okay, in the midst of the city, then the value of goodwill also will get increased. Okay, or if it is situated in the remote area, that that company may not gain a good name, isn't it? So that is also one of the reason. Then the quality of goods and services. If they provide service or goods. Okay, if they produce quality goods and if they provide better service for the customers, then the value of goodwill also will be varying. Okay, if they, on the other hand, if they provide a poor service for the customers, or they supply that goods which are not of as per the standard quality, then they cannot gain more goodwill. Okay, then tenure of the business enterprise. Tenure means the time period of the business. If it is running for over many years, then that their goodwill will be increasing. Okay, if they have more goodwill, that time, for a long period of time, if a business organization is run, then those business organization will gain more goodwill. Then efficiency of the management. Because of the efficiency of the management, what will get increased? The production will be increasing. If the production increasing, the sale also increasing, then profit will be increasing. Okay, so everything is depending upon the efficiency of the management. Okay, so if they have efficient personnel, managerial personnel, then they could gain more goodwill. Then degree of competition. Now competition is everywhere, isn't it? So if a business concern does not have any competition with any for their products or services, then their goodwill will be more. Okay, or if they are having a stiff competition, their survival itself is a question, then there may not be more goodwill. Okay, then some of the other factors also. This one we can say, so that some person, we say Tata, Birla, okay, the Tata product, the person, okay, that person products will be of good quality, we think, isn't it? That is the popularity of the proprietor. If the proprietor name is known by everyone, that is also one of the goodwill. Okay, or sometimes they may give advertisement in TV or newspaper, okay, and their publicity, okay, that Maggie, noodles and all we say, isn't it? Though they announce sometimes that of bad quality, by hearing the name itself we know, isn't it? Then if they have good relation with the customers, if they treat the customers as good, then they can gain more goodwill. Okay. Then need for the valuation of goodwill. Why we should calculate the goodwill? Okay, the need for valuing the goodwill. So why? The reason, one, when there is a change in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, profit sharing ratio, they are going to change. That time they have to calculate the goodwill at the time of admission of a partner. That's why I told you in the beginning, it is also related to the partnership form. Okay, admission of a partner, then retiring of a partner, and death of a partner. Okay, or dissolution of the firm. That means the termination of the firm. Winding up of the company, we say, no, that is called dissolution of the firm. In these circumstances, they need to calculate the goodwill. Okay, now we will learn about the types or classification of goodwill. Two types of classification they have given. One is acquired goodwill or purchased goodwill. Acquired goodwill or purchased goodwill. Here, sometimes when they purchase the business, they may pay more than the purchasing price. That is called the goodwill. Okay, for example, the purchasing price is more than the net assets value of net assets. Okay, net asset means asset minus liabilities. One amount will come. Okay, if they pay more than the value of net assets, then that excess value is called the goodwill. Okay, this one is recorded in the books of accounts. Okay, this acquired goodwill can be recorded in the books of accounts. And it will be, where it will be shown? It will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, the other goodwill is generated, self-generated goodwill. They themselves will calculate how much it is. Okay. But this self-generated goodwill cannot be entered, cannot be recorded. Okay. It is not recorded in the books of accounts. Now, there are some methods for the valuation of goodwill. The first method we are going to learn. Okay. Average profit method. Very simple. Okay. Here in this chapter around 9-10 problems alone given, but 4 or 5 methods available. In each method 1 or 2 problems only given. Okay, so you must be very careful. A little development from the first problem will be given as the second problem. So if you are thorough, okay, very simple problems only. Okay, average profit method we will learn as the first method. Okay, we know what is the average profit, isn't it? So total profit divided by number of years. Then they will give one number of years of purchase. Okay, years of purchase into average profit. That is called goodwill. Okay, goodwill is calculated as certain years of purchase of the average profits of the past few years. Maybe 5 years. Okay, 5 years profit will be given. We should calculate total profit divided by 5. We will get the average profit. Then average profit into number of years of purchase. Okay, that's all. Okay, very easy one. Here 2 average profit method given. Simple average profit and weighted average profit. Okay, first we will learn the simple average profit method. Here before that we should know how to calculate the adjusted profit. Okay, adjusted average profit. Okay, adjusted profit means here actual profit that we receive, no, that one average we will calculate. Okay, from that one we have to do some adjustment. Okay, some expenses and some income. Here if any past expenses that will not arise in future, okay, that should be added. Okay, then any income, past income that will not arise in future, that should be deducted. Okay, then opposite to this one past expense not in future. This one what and all will be in future. Okay, here past income, additional income expected in future. Okay, that means we expect, not past expenditure, income expected in future. then in expense expected in future must be deducted. Okay, any past expense that we do not need to pay in future should be added. That last income, but it will not come in future, that must be deducted. Then about that future income should be added, future expense must be deducted. That's all. We will get the adjusted average profit. Okay, that you have to keep this in one mind. In the first two problems it won't come, but okay, other problems we will get. Say, I will show that exercise illustration to you. It is very simple. Okay, the following are the profits of a firm in the last 5 years. See, 5 years profit. Calculate value of goodwill at 3 years purchase of average profits of 5 years. So first one, goodwill formula we have to write. Average profit into number of years of purchase. Average profit, how we have to calculate? Total profit divided by number of years. Total profit divided by 5. Okay, we will get average profit. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. Easy one. Okay, then you see profits. Here one loss is also given. You are requested to calculate the amount of goodwill on the basis of 5 years purchase of average profits of last 4 years. So average profit we should calculate total profit divided by number of years 4. Okay, here 1 is loss, so we must deduct that one. Okay, then we will get 10,000. Then goodwill is equal to average profit into number of years of purchase 5. Average profit 10,000 into 5, 50,000. Okay, now shall we do to exercise. Okay, very small lesson. Okay, see the first one, let us do. Okay, the following are the profits of a firm for in the last 5 years. Okay, so first we should write the formula. Goodwill is equal to average profit number of years of purchase. Average profit we do not know, isn't it? So average profit is equal to 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000 plus 14,000 divided by how many years? 5 years. 5. So you see 10, all these 10 how much? 50, 51, 53, 56, 60. 60,000 by 5. How many? 12. 12,000. Okay, average profit. Now goodwill. Average profit 12,000 into number of years of purchase given in the problem last line, 2 years purchase of average profit of 5 years. So into 2. So 24,000. You write rupee symbol. 24,000. That's all. Okay. Then second simple lesson we can complete. Okay, then 2-3 days. With this week we have to complete this. Number 2, again we should write goodwill. Average profit into number of years of purchase. Okay, average profit we should calculate. Total profit you write fully, okay, divided by number of years. Total profit we should calculate 5,000 plus 8,000 plus 6,000 Last we have to minus. Okay, 3000 divided by 4. Here 8, 13, 19 minus 3, 16 by 4, 4000. Average profit. Now goodwill. Goodwill is equal to 4000 into how many number of years of purchase? 3 years purchase. Okay. So rupees 12,000. Understood, students? Okay. Here totally 11 problems. Okay. Here every day we see 2 or 3 problems we could complete. Okay. Thank you, students.